boo-boo.
We got my boo
behind the camera, so you know, excuse the mistakes, you feel me?
Sorry.
Because it's too many G's, you know what I mean, to be covered.
Alright, let's go.
You already know.
Let's
Holla
go.
at me, Nelson 174, man. My niggas about to let it down, man. You already know Chaka DVD, holla. Holla.
Hey yo, if you ain't got no fair hop, cause we on the block catching bodies getting teardrops. Listen up. Y'all be making me
Hey yo.
keep going up.
We ain't never scared, you hear me? We ain't never scared. Hey yo, I'm patiently waiting. I'm gonna punch all y'all niggas in the face. That's word, man. I'm gonna punch all y'all niggas in the face, dude. Hold on 174 Nelson. Get a glimpse of the sign right there. We gonna punch y'all niggas in the face.
Holla! Hey! 174, baby.
I spit my fire, my passion, my pain attached to my tracks to the grave. They go together like the Henny and Hay. Mark my fate. I compliment you cause you making me great.
And know my enemies.
Fading this contemplation for haters that hesitated. We educated, meditating
On your decapitation.
You faggots facing
The
the barrel of
gun
gun you tasting is gonna lead to a nigga like me.
Incarcerated.
Murders unregistrated,
Murder premeditated.
Know if I ever say it,
bitch, I meant it.
Leave your body slumped in the rental, your head dented. Murk you from the side view, I live for your mental's missing.
Yeah.
Critical condition, the physical's what we live in. Play your position is in. Look at my girl eye. Look at my girl eye. Listen up, man. Cut this shit out, man. If you gonna holler at one of these niggas, man, you need to come see me, man. Cause this is Chaka Entertainment, nigga. Chaka DVD. Holla. One.
Holla.